How to quickly shear images in Affinity Photo using equations. Select the layer and then go to Filters and down to Distort and Equations. See equations there? I'm using Cartesian and go for X minus Y, and you can see straight away you've got a nice shearing effect. You can also do the same, Y minus X, though not so useful. However, what you can also do is put divided by A times 20 bracket, and you can see the result there. And you can also do for the Y as well. So divided by, whenever you put anything that's not complete, it will see in red. Bracket B times 20. You've got parameters down here, so you can tweak these. So you can just shift it just slightly. There, you can go to B and you can shift it down that way. If you want to fill that transparent space there and there as well, you've got extend modes. So you can go to full and that displays it with a solid white. You can also go for repeat, which means it just repeats the edge, which I never like particularly as an effect. Also wrap, and you've got the design repeated. Once you're happy with the design, click apply. You can also apply the shear again. Just go to filters and repeat equations, and that will apply again with the same settings, and again, and so on and so on. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please put in the comments below. Thank you much.